Hello children. Today we are going to learn in GK lesson number 10 bird search. So GK lesson number 10 is bird search. Now we see different type of birds around us. They differ in shape, size and color. Birds are a class of animals that can be identified as having wings, beaks, feathers and laying hard-shelled eggs. Some type of birds such as hummingbird are very tiny, whereas some other birds are large flightless birds such as ostriches. All species of birds play an important role in their native habitats, and many people like to keep domestic birds as pets. Individual bird species are classified by their similarities. For example, different type of birds have excellent navigation skills. Some migratory birds travel hundreds and thousands of miles every year. Some species of birds are known by their chirping sound or song-like melodies. Even some type of parrots and blue jays are expert at mimicking sounds and human language. So, if you open page number 15 of your GK textbook, you can see that there is an exercise given. Read the clues, identify the birds and complete the crossword. So it is a crossword puzzle, and towards the end of the page you can see a small box in which some names of birds have been given. So let us first read those words. The first one is woodpecker, the second one is eagle, the third one is ostrich, the fourth one is parrot, the fifth one is turkey, the sixth one is cuckoo, the seventh one is owl, and the eighth one is hummingbird. So these are the words that we need to fill in the crossword. So you can see two different boxes. The first one is down. The words that has to be written downwards. So let us look at the first one. It is a large predatory bird. You can look at the picture. Have you seen this bird? It is a predatory bird, that is, it eats other insects or other birds. It is a predatory bird. So which is the bird? The starting letter is E, the ending letter is E. So the bird is eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Fill in the downward box with E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Now second one. The second one says it can mimic human voice. So look at the second one. Look at the picture. You know this bird, isn't it? It is a parrot. Now look at the second option given in the crossword. It starts with P, it ends with T, isn't it? So it is parrot. Spelling of parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Okay. So next let us see the third one. It says it does not make a nest of its own. So where is 3 in the column? Look at 3 and look at the picture. Do you know this bird? It starts with this letter C and ends with the letter O. So which is that bird that does not make its own nest? It is cuckoo. What is the spelling of cuckoo? C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. It usually lays its eggs in the nest of the crow. So the answer is cuckoo. Now the fifth one. It shares its name with a country. Where is 5 in the crossword? Look, the starting letter is T and the ending letter is Y. Look at the picture. Do you know the bird? It is a turkey. Turkey is also a country's name. In many parts of the world, even turkey is an animal that is being eaten. Just like our hen, we eat chicken, right? Same way, turkey is also cooked and eaten in many parts of the world. So the correct answer is turkey. The spelling of turkey is T-U-R-K-E-Y. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. So now we will do the across, the words that has to be written across. Let us look at the fourth one, the fourth clue. It says it can fly backwards. The only bird that can fly backwards. What is the starting letter? H. What is the ending letter? It is D. And which is the bird? Look at the picture. The bird is hummingbird. Listen to the spelling. Humming-bird. Hummingbird. It is the only bird that can fly backwards. Now the sixth one. It can turn around its head almost completely. Can you turn your head around? You can turn to the left, you can turn to the right, but you cannot turn backwards, isn't it? But there is a bird which can turn its head backwards. Look at the picture. The starting letter is O and the ending letter is L. The bird is owl. O-W-L, owl. Okay. Now the seventh one. It lays the largest eggs in the world. So this bird lays the biggest egg in the world. Look at the picture. Do you know this bird? Which is the starting letter? Look at the crossword. The starting letter is O and the ending letter is H. So which is the bird? O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. The bird is ostrich. Okay, and the last one, the eighth one. Look at the eighth one. It makes a unique sound while pecking on trees. What is the starting letter? It is W and the ending letter is R. So which is the bird? The bird is woodpecker. What is the spelling of woodpecker? W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. So woodpecker is the eighth one. So let us just once again check the crossword. The first one is eagle. Look at the picture. You can see the crossword. Check it with your what you have filled in your textbook. So the first one is eagle. The second one is parrot. The third one is cuckoo. The fourth one is hummingbird. The fifth one is turkey. The sixth one is owl. The seventh one is ostrich. And the eighth one is woodpecker. If you have any doubts, look at this picture and fill your textbook. So that is all you have to learn in this chapter. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much.